If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To view the apps in QuickBooks Online, click the Apps link in the navigation bar. If needed, then click the Find Apps tab in the page that opens to the right to find apps that work with QuickBooks Online Plus. These are Intuit and third-party applications that integrate into QuickBooks Online, making it more efficient and easier to use. Many provide features not available in QuickBooks Online. There is a large selection of constantly changing apps on the page. Some apps may disappear or change as they are discontinued or updated. An important point to remember is that some apps may require a subscription fee and an account outside of QuickBooks Online Plus to use them. At the top of the page is a large Search by Name or Category field, which you can use to search for apps by name or category. Alternatively, you can click to select an app category to view apps in that category. If you browse an app category, you can click the Back to Find Apps link in the upper left corner of the category page to return to the Find Apps page. To learn more about an app or download it, click an app's description to open a window with a description of the app and often a video. There are tabs across the top of the page for Overview, Pricing, Reviews, Similar, and FAQs. Clicking these tabs shows the related information. To download the app, click the Get App Now button. Generally, a new tab then opens and the process starts automatically. Depending on the app, follow any further instructions to integrate it into QuickBooks Online Plus. Alternatively, to return to the Find Apps page or the category page from which you opened the apps page, click the X button in the upper right corner of the apps page. After you install an app, you can click the My Apps tab at the top of the Find Apps page to view and manage the apps you have installed. QuickBooks Online Plus also features a selection of experimental plugins you can find in the QuickBooks Labs window. To access the experimental QuickBooks Labs plugins in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the QuickBooks Labs link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the QuickBooks Labs window. This window shows the current experimental plugins QuickBooks Online offers. Each plugin has a video that shows what the plugin does, as well as See Demo and Give Feedback links. To enable a QuickBooks Labs plugin, click the toggle switch to the right of the plugin's title to switch it to the On position. It is important to remember that the QuickBooks Labs plugins are all experimental plugins and may not always be available or always work correctly. To close this page, click the Done button in its lower right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.